Content creators, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table by relying only on ads for revenue. Ads are unpredictable. One algorithm change, one market dip, and your income vanishes. It's like a farmer planting just one crop. When that fails, everything fails. Yet 68% of creators still depend primarily on advertising revenue, living paycheck to paycheck in a multi-billion-dollar creator economy. This single stream approach is why so many talented creators burn out or give up. You've built an audience that values your expertise, but you're monetizing just a fraction of your true potential. The most successful creators aren't just making content. They're building businesses with multiple income streams. First, brand licensing, letting other businesses use your existing content for a fee. Second, online courses that package your knowledge once and sell it repeatedly. Third, digital products like templates or ebooks that scale without additional work. And fourth, using AI tools like DeepReel to multiply your output while maintaining your unique voice. But the real game changer isn't just adding these channels. It's shifting your mindset from content creator to content entrepreneur. This means spending time on business strategy, not just creation. The most profitable creators only spend about 30% of their time making content. The rest goes to building systems that generate income. Stop leaving money on the table. Your audience is waiting to pay you directly for your expertise.